I wanted a fast, efficient solution for resurfacing this garden wall, so I used a bonding agent at each stage. After pressure cleaning, I left it to dry. Stage 1 seals the surface with a mix of 1 part Bondcrete in 4 parts water. Applied with a brush, it was dry by the time I'd finished. Stage 2 creates a bond coat using 4 parts Bondcrete with 1 part water. It forms a sticky surface to help cover those lumps and bumps. Stage 3 is the rendering. I diluted Bondcrete in water, then poured this into the concrete while whipping it into a creamy consistency. I applied the render while the bond coat was still sticky. It's a small space, so I used a scraper to load the trowel. It takes a bit of practice, but doesn't have to be perfect. I spritzed with water to ensure the render remains malleable and used a plastic float in a scrubbing motion to knock off any raised sections. This begins to really smooth out the surface. My favourite part uses a slightly damp sponge in a light circular movement to fill in dips and gives a lovely final polish. After the render cured in the sunshine, I applied 2 coats of a sealer with a long nap roller. This also dried super fast. It rained soon after and the water simply slid off. I love how this budget-friendly system transformed the wall into a modern landscaping feature in just a few days.